Continuing coverage now on the Eldorado fire that's tearing through the San Bernardino National Forest. Tonight, investigators telling us the fire was sparked Saturday morning by someone lighting a pyrotechnic device, a type of firework, during a gender reveal party at a park in Yucaipa. The fire now covering 7,000 acres and is only 5% contained. Right now, mandatory evacuations are in effect for the communities of North Bench, Yucaipa, parts of Oakland, Mountain Home Village, and Forest Falls. News Channel 3's Shelby Nelson reports on the intense firefight and how some residents are handling the crisis.
Here on Oak Glen Road, lots of ash is still falling after the fire tore through, and the area behind me really looking like a wasteland with one apple orchard sign.
Pretty crazy. Come right over the hill there. And now the wind's shifted, so the smoke's going further that way. It was coming over the top of us for a little bit. So I don't think we're in a worry, but Becky's parents are right over there on fur. You can see the flames. Okay, it's still pretty damn hot. It's pretty hot. And you can see everything's getting dark. And that's because we got this cloud of smoke coming in over. And you can see where it's laying down in the valley over there. They've had a change in the direction. Boy, it's really amazing. And it, of course, we're getting soot snow.
Specifically north of Yucaipa Boulevard and east of Bryant Street. Now, as of tonight, this blaze has grown to more than 7,000 acres with just 5% containment.
Okay, it's day 3 of the fire up there threatening everything. Oak Glen is in trouble. They said, looks like the city was surrounded. But I thought, wow, the sun was going to look different, and it does. Look at this. Now all the smoke is blocking all the shorter ray, the longer rays. No, the shorter rays. The shorter rays, the strong ones like the blues and the greens, they can't get through. But the reds can because they're long, and so they don't encounter much resistance. Wow, that's amazing.
Jumped Highway 38 to the north side and is continuing to burn up here, out of control. We haven't seen much as far as fire retardant drops at altitude, but at the lower levels down there, you are seeing some activity. I'm going to come in with our map system and show you that's Highway 38 and Mill Creek Road. Mill Creek Road, there's a lot of activity right now. That is the road that leads you into Forest Falls, and at this point, it looks like that northern route up Highway 38 from Forest Falls is at least blocked by fire right now, so we have
that's from the house in the back. They're not going to get that out for a couple days. It goes all the way up the ridge. And up into Oak Glen. You can see it's burning up there too.